Introduction. Welcome to Bike Informers, the ultimate hub for motorcycle lovers. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a machine that has earned cult status over the decades, the 2026 Suzuki SV650. Known for its legendary reliability, approachable power delivery, and unmistakable V-twin character, the SV650 returns this year with some exciting upgrades. Let's explore what makes the 2026 version better than ever. Refreshed design with a modern edge. While the SV650 maintains its iconic naked bike stance, the 2026 model comes with several visual enhancements. Suzuki has revised the bodywork for a more sculpted, aerodynamic look. The front end now features a sleeker LED headlamp unit, while the rear gets a redesigned tail section with integrated lighting for a cleaner profile. The new paint schemes and subtle graphics give it a fresh, sporty appeal without drifting away from the minimalist aesthetic that fans appreciate. Proven V-twin engine now smoother and cleaner. Powering the new SV650 is the same beloved 645 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, but Suzuki has fine-tuned it for smoother performance and stricter emissions compliance under Euro 6 standards. It still produces around 75 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque, but thanks to a reworked fuel injection system and optimized engine mapping, the bike feels more refined across the rev range. You'll still enjoy that signature V-twin rumble and torque-rich delivery, ideal for both urban commutes and weekend fun. Tech upgrades finally catching up. For years, riders have wanted the SV650 to come with more modern tech. In 2026, Suzuki delivers. The new TFT full-color display replaces the outdated analog-digital combo, providing clear readouts of speed, gear position, fuel level, and even smartphone connectivity through Bluetooth. Ride-by-wire throttle makes way for 3 riding modes: urban, sport, and rain, giving riders better control in varying conditions. Traction control is now standard, and the low RPM assist and easy start system return, making starts and stop-and-go traffic easier to manage. Improved comfort and handling. One of the SV650's strong suits has always been its lightweight chassis and nimble handling. The 2026 model continues this tradition with minor tweaks to the trellis frame for better rigidity and feedback. The suspension setup remains conventional, with non-adjustable forks up front and a preload adjustable rear shock, but both have been retuned for more comfort and stability. The seat has been redesigned for better support on longer rides, and the slightly revised handlebar positioning improves rider posture, especially for taller riders. Braking and safety. Braking duties are handled by dual front disc brakes with 2 piston calipers and a single rear disc, now paired with an updated dual-channel ABS system. While not high-spec like some rivals, the braking setup is reliable and predictable, making it more than adequate for the SV650's weight and performance. The addition of traction control is a major plus, giving new riders an extra layer of confidence when pushing the limits. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Suzuki has optimized the engine and electronics for better efficiency. Expect fuel economy to hover around 25 to 27 km/L, making it one of the more economical midweight bikes on the market. The SV650's reputation for bulletproof reliability continues, with low maintenance costs and a simple mechanical layout that DIY riders will appreciate. Pricing and rivals. The 2026 SV650 is expected to launch at a price point slightly higher than the outgoing model, but still very competitive. Given the added tech and emissions upgrades, this slight bump is justified. It remains one of the most value-packed motorcycles in its class, going up against rivals like the Yamaha MT-07, Kawasaki Z650, and Honda CB650R. While those bikes might edge ahead in certain specs, the SV650 wins big in terms of versatility, character, and real-world usability. Final verdict: SV650 still holds strong. In a world filled with overcomplicated tech and ever-increasing price tags, the 2026 Suzuki SV650 stands as a reminder that motorcycles can still be simple, engaging, and fun. With modern updates, cleaner emissions, and added features, it continues to be an excellent choice for beginners, commuters, and seasoned riders alike. Whether you're riding through city traffic or enjoying twisty back roads, the SV650 proves it's still very much alive and better than ever. Thanks for joining us on Bike Informers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and riding tips. Until next time, ride safe and stay informed.